Hey, move away from the EG. Yo my dudes, so today is Freedom Day. So what I actually had planned today is to fit a few things to the EG or the EK. Let me just show you guys what I was planning on doing. So these are the items that I actually wanted to install on the EG. For you guys that do know, you know that my EG kind of bubbles in the center over here. So I wanted to fit these. Also has miles per hour as well as kilometers. And this is for the EK. You also see that it has these wires over here. So to my understanding, you can bolt them or wire them up to a bolster and it will shine even brighter. So this was the initial idea. However, what I do plan on doing today is actually going to KILLARNEY. I think there's a 4-hour event. Me and my friend just decided randomly that we're gonna go. It's also a very nice day. So I'm gonna head there and then maybe at the end of KILLARNEY I might just install this. So yeah guys, let's go.
Where they go? 52 is ahead.
Yo guys, so this is just going to be a quick install video. It's actually type R day here at STM. We have two type R's here. We have Julian's FN2 type R. He came to fit a lip, and then we have Noor, which has a black FN2 type R, and he'll be fitting a Seeker wing. So yeah guys, I'm just going to install the lip as well as the Seeker wing for them quickly. So I'm just going to use some YouTube magic. Okay guys, so here we have Julian's car. He has the front lip all installed, and then we have the Nighthawk black that belongs to Noor, and his Seeker wing is fitted. As you guys can see, fitment is on point. He also has some cool, what I would say is mag blue original FN2 wheels. Let me just give you guys a full walk around on his car as well. I think he does plan on getting a front lip as well. But yeah, he did mention his car is dirty, etc. And then Julian also has a Seeker wing on his car as well. So yeah guys, like I mentioned, it was a quick type R day, I would say. And then also, Noor actually owns his FN2 for 12 years. I just thought that's kind of a very long time to own it. And me and Julian is actually, we're actually forcing him to sell it to either one of us. So yeah, you might see a black FN2 in the STM garage, or you might see Julian have a red FN2 as well as a black FN2. But anyway, that's actually them guys over there. So hi guys. So I'm just at the end of the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little FN2 installs. So guys, so as you guys have seen in the previous video, I've returned from my vacation. However, today I'll be leaving for another vacation. So I have to kind of run around and sort out a lot of parts for the next few days. Luckily I have a few friends that are assisting me with, how can I say, couriering, etc. I'm currently right now at Xpress Solutions. Obviously, as you guys know, that is the company that assists me with my couriering, etc. But anyway, let me just show you guys the parts that we'll be sending out today. So these are the parts, guys. So the one in the brown packaging is an FN2 Mugen grill with the badge, like I showed you guys previously. Then this is also an FN2 Type R rear wing. This wing is meant for the FN1 or the VXI to basically make your entry-level version car into a Type R. And then this customer also ordered the Seeker wing that basically fits onto here. So this isn't mounted yet. And I also just wanted to show you guys something really cool about this wing. So as I mentioned before, most of our wings are molded from originals. So I just wanted to show you how cool this actually is. The mold is so good that it actually has even the stamp of Honda on it as well. So I just thought that's something really cool. So when you guys do order parts from us, note that the molds are from originals. However, this customer did opt in for the more cheaper Seeker wing, and like we mentioned before, this one is a little bit more round. The edges are way more rounder, and this is basically molded from our premium model. So the premium mold is molded from an original, and this one is molded from that one. So yeah guys, I just thought I'd share this with you, and then I just have to head to Dane and show you guys the other parts that we'll be sending out as well. Okay guys, so I just arrived at Dane, and in front of us we now have CL9 Accord parts. So as you guys know, this is the front lip for CL9 Accord as well as the rear wing for CL9 Accord. This is the exact same setup, as well as the coilovers is the exact same setup that I sold to Quentin Boylan. For you guys that do not know who Quentin Boylan is King K.
All the way down, all the way. Run to 8.277, ladies and gentlemen.
I think he's like the fastest Honda in South Africa, if I'm not mistaken. These parts, however, was on his turbo CL9 Accord that is currently for sale right now. And then this is an FN2 fender liner. As you guys can see, this little short section there, you can see that it is for an FN2 Type R. So yeah, like I mentioned before, the reason for me actually showing you guys these parts is because I'm currently going on vacation, and I will be leaving a few parts here by Dane as well for a customer to collect, as well as I will be leaving my other parts by IMRAAN, as he will be couriering the parts. And then moving forward this year, I want to actually continuously try to operate without me having to actually leave the house, or me having to do less work. So yeah, this is kind of a try run, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, like I mentioned, I am going on vacation, and I might take you guys along, so hope you guys enjoy. Yo guys, so I'm at Hoodies R450. We actually arrived yesterday here. It's actually kind of very early, I think it's like past 10. That's why the sky is still kind of foggy. Anyway, I'm actually just sitting here waiting for the slides to open. I think the slides open about 11 o'clock till 12 o'clock, and then there's another session from 4 to 5. It is obviously during the week, so the slides don't really continue for later, and obviously it's off season. But yeah, let me just show you guys what the slide looks like. So this is the slides, guys. You obviously go up the stairs over here, right till the top. Slide goes right down and then exit somewhere over there. This is the warm pool, and then that side is a little bit of a colder pool, and then the hottest pool I think is right on top. Yeah guys, so this is actually a hot spring. So what it basically means is I think that this hot water coming from the mountain and it basically flows down, and they make use of that water to basically make the pools warm, I assume. But yeah, I'm enjoying myself thus far. My WhatsApp, however, isn't working. I know a lot of you guys are actually trying to make contact, so I apologize for that. But once I get home, I'll try my best to sort you guys out, as well as I'll try my best to put out a video for you as well. But anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my time here. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.